The November general election is next Tuesday, and voters across the state will be casting votes for state, county, and local offices. Also on the ballot, a question to retain 3 justices of the Pennsylvania Supreme Court. It usually doesn't get a lot of attention, but that's not the case this year. And the I-Team's Andy Mahalchik is live from your local election headquarters in the 2822 Now studio. Andy, why all this attention this year?
Well, Candace, the short answer is potential control of that court and the potential final say on issues, many of them controversial, that may come before the court in the future. Those issues that could impact not only Pennsylvanians but the rest of the nation. Issues like redistricting, which could impact future congressional and presidential elections. 3 justices of the Pennsylvania Supreme Court are on the ballot for retention. They are Justices David Wecht, Kevin Dougherty, and Christine Donahue. They were elected as Democrats in 2015. Now, judges are up for retention after serving 10 years. It's a yes or no vote. The court has 7 justices. 5 were elected as Democrats, 2 as Republicans. A vacancy could shift the balance. Tens of millions of dollars have been funneled into this retention vote from both vote yes and vote no groups. One big issue is possible future rulings involving redistricting, which could potentially impact future congressional and presidential elections. Retired Lackawanna County Judge Tom Munley says he has never seen so much attention and money directed at a judicial retention vote.
People are very upset all over the country with the way things are going. They're upset with a lot of the federal issues. They're upset with some of the state issues. But all I'm telling the people is get out and vote.
Munley urges voters not to be swayed by political ads, to do their own research and make an informed decision, not only with the judicial retention vote, but all offices on the ballot.
The only poll that counts is 30-some% of the people will come out to vote. The rest of them won't, unfortunately, but 30-some percent of the people will vote, and they have to look at their heart, look at their mind, and say what's best for this state, and that's what they have to do.
If there is a vacancy, Governor Josh Shapiro would appoint a temporary replacement. Then 2/3 of the Republican-controlled Senate would have to approve that appointment, which could be a challenge. Voters will select a permanent replacement in 2027. Now, you can see my entire interview with Judge Tom Munley tonight on the 2822 Now app. It streams at 9 p.m. tonight. Now, we have information on our website, 2822 News, as far as finding the app and how to download it. Back to you.
Andy Mahalchik reporting for us tonight. Thank you.